I think things that are coming down the pipe still that we're going to have to address. I think with I'd say the changing in technology. So there's a lot of talk about ChatGPT, AI.
Yeah.
As much as insurance companies and corporations and everyone's going to invest in, it's going to change the way we do things. It's also another really good piece of technology that's going to be used against us in fraud.
Mm-hmm.
And so as much as we spend, the bad actors out there, that's another way that they're going to be able to, create better schemes, better supports for presenting fraudulent claims to carriers. And it's a cottage industry. And I don't think we've talked enough about, I think from where it could potentially go. What's the downsides of it? And I know in Europe they're starting to think about regulating the use of ChatGPT and where does it go. And it's great technology. I think it will change sort of data accumulation and how you can evaluate things faster. But where does it go from how it's going to be used against us, and think about some of those pieces. So I think it's one area that to me is really interesting. I think the power of data is one we haven't talked about. I think this is a good thing is companies have now started to invest a lot in data and digitization. Digitization clearly is the benefit to the consumer. It's an easier interaction with an insurance company, but the data collection, we're all very serious about that now. And I think the insights that we're gaining from it is incredibly powerful. It'll ultimately make our policyholders better as we be able to share insights into, what are they doing, how can they get better, share it with risk management, share it with underwriting.
Yeah.
And so I think for a long time, data had been, everybody talked about it, but nobody was really doing anything with it.
Yeah.
Now there's a lot of use cases that are active in most carriers, and it's creating competitive advantages for certain players in the market. Hi, I'm Keith Daly, Chief Claims Officer for Zurich North America, and this is the future of insurance.